In this video, I want to tell you things you need to know and take advantage of to improve your dating game. If you take note of the points and take advantage of the knowledge, it will give you leverage over other men when dealing with women. It will improve your psychology and make you better with women. Let's get into it. Number 1. Believing you can be more attractive. You have to know and believe that there is no limit to how attractive you can be. Do not feel you have gotten to the peak of your attractiveness and can do nothing more to improve your look, because it is not true. There is always something new you can try on yourself. That will make you become more handsome and attractive. Go to the gym and build your body. Put on more muscle. This will make clothes fit better on you and make you look more energetic and masculine. Get a skincare routine. Fix your face. Get rid of acne on your face. Fix your fashion. Your fashion game should be on point. Fix your teeth. Do not walk around with plaques on your teeth. It makes you look less attractive. Visit the dentist. Scale and polish your teeth every 6 months. You can also get a teeth whitening if you can afford it. This will make you more attractive. Get a clean and nice haircut every week. Work on your attractiveness all around. Fix yourself, and you'll notice how women will accept you more. More women will lean towards you and behave differently around you. Number 2. Maximize your leverage. Guys, the dating market is not fair. Women rate you based on the advantage you have over her other options. Women don't go for less, and they don't care to know why you are not better. They simply go for a better option. That is why you need to take advantage of everything within your means. You need leverage in the dating market to gain advantage over other guys. For this to be possible, you have to work on yourself and maximize your value every time. You have to take advantage of everything. That will make you better and improve your value. You have to build yourself to be a high-value man. You will be a complete man. Build your finances. Improve your dating game to be better with women. Improve your fashion. Improve your health and your skin. This will give you more leverage in the dating market, and women will pick you first among other guys because of how well you've built yourself. Number 3. Know that women don't know what they want. Women are naturally emotional, so they find it very difficult matching their actions with their words. They can say something and do something totally different. They can say they want something and settle for something totally opposite. This is why people always say that women don't know what they want. So never care much about what they tell you they want. They will tell you they don't care if you are fat. Do not listen. They will tell you looks don't matter. They'll tell you they care more about personality. But they go out there, seeking the attention of a guy with a ripped body. They go chasing the attention of that guy who is 6 feet tall. This is why you don't listen to them. Instead, pay more attention to what they do. Women all over the world want a guy who is better than other guys within a space. So focus on improving your life, build yourself, and see women chase you. Do not listen to what they say. Women do not know what they want. Number 4. Understand that she is not a rare breed. Guys, you see that girl you see as the most beautiful girl. You feel she is so adorable. She is not a rare breed. There is nothing special about her. There are millions of girls out there that are more attractive than she is. So do not treat any girl like she is special. Treat her like a normal human. See her like you see other person if you want her to stay with you. This is because women don't want to be needed. They want you to like them, but not to need them, or build your life around them. That is the easiest way to make a girl lose interest. So see her as you see every regular human out there. This will spark her curiosity. Knowing that other guys pedestalize her and you do not will make her wonder why. This will make you appear like you have other options, and also used to dealing with girls like her, so she will chase your validation and attention more. Number 5. Every woman needs a strong bedroom game. Most women always go out, telling people sex does not matter to them, but it has been proven that women want sex more than men do, and also enjoy sex more than men do. Remember, women will tell you something and do something else. This is why you don't listen to them. Guys, sex matters to women. Every woman dreams of having a great encounter in the bedroom. They wish to have a man that is skilled and energetic enough to give them a great experience in the bedroom. If a woman experiences great sex with a guy, she can't get enough of it from him. She will want it from him over and over and over again, no matter how high value and well-rounded you are as a man. If your bedroom game is poor, she will source for a guy who can give her a great experience in the bedroom. She can relate with you on anything else, but when it comes to sex, she'll go to that guy that gives her a better experience. This is why you also need to improve your bedroom game as a man. Go to the gym, reduce your body fat, put on some muscles, take care of your health, quit smoking and drinking, eat healthy foods, and stay away from sugar. These habits will improve your sex game. If you are a high-value man, and then have a great bedroom game, it adds to your value. Trust me, it will be difficult for any woman who encounters you to leave you. If you're able to take note and capitalize on the information shared in this video, your dating game and mindset will change. You'll be better with women. Lots of women will be attracted to you and will chase you more than you expected. I hope you learned something new today. See you next time.